Hi guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. So pretty much in this video I'm just gonna quickly show you guys how to check and if needed replace your cabin or AC air filter. So yeah, pretty much it's pretty easy. You're just gonna open your glove box, and then there's a tab right there on the side, on the right side. You're just gonna undo that, and then so right here you're just gonna, you see these tabs right here, there's one on this right side and then there's one on the left side as well. You're just gonna want to squeeze these in and then do the same with the other side, and then it'll come loose, and then you could actually just pull it out, let it sit on the floor so your stuff won't fall off. And then in there, you'll see that there's that little door right there. You're gonna just pop that open, and then there should be tabs on both sides. You just pull those tabs out, and there it is. Cabin air filter is exposed. You just pull it out. So this one is actually a bit dirty. As you could see, it actually has all that dirt inside. So I have a few that I'm gonna be that I could replace it with right there. So pretty much to put it back in, same thing. You're just gonna push it in there, put your little cover back in there as well. Just pop it in there. Don't forget to close this, because if not, that's gonna get in the way and you won't be able to put your glove box. And then you are gonna have to line up the bottom of the glove box right here and right here. So give me just a moment here. All right guys, so I was able to pop it back into place already. So pretty much, like I said, I just aligned the 4 tabs there on the bottom side, on the left and right. Just line them up there and just pop it back up, and then those will just automatically lock back into place, right and left. And then pretty much all you gotta do is just pop that back in there, so right there, and that's pretty much it. It should close right up, open, just to test. And there you have it. That's how you you replace your cabin AC air filter. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, and please subscribe. That would really help the channel out a lot. Thanks a lot guys. See you on the next one.